Do you know that ideas are cheap, very cheap, because everyone has them? But transforming an idea into a profitable, sustainable business is what separates dreamers from doers. Whether you want to launch a product, start a side hustle, or build a full-fledged company, the process requires strategy, resilience, and smart execution. So, my friend, do you have an idea? Do you believe in that idea? Can you sell that idea? And you want that idea to turn into a money making machine? Let's dive in and stick with me to the end, and let me reveal to you these lessons that will turn your idea into a money making machine. Before we dive in, if this is your first time seeing this channel, then you are welcome. Take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon and activate all notifications so you don't miss a thing. You know the best things in life are for free, and subscribing to this channel is free. Your support is highly appreciated as we grow together. Thank you. Let's continue. In 2003, an idea came to a Harvard sophomore, Mark Zuckerberg, on how students could connect with each other within the walls of Harvard. He built a little site called FaceMash, which let students rate each other's photos with either hot or not. FaceMash got him into trouble with the university, but it also revealed something powerful, that people love seeing and sharing information about each other online. This insight became the seed for a broader idea, a centralized online directory of people with photos and profiles exclusive to Harvard students. So in early 2004, Zuckerberg launched the Facebook.com from his dorm room. The initial concept was quite simple: to build a private website where students could create profiles with photos and personal info and connect with each other. In the first month, over half of Harvard's undergraduates signed up, and before you could say jack, interest spread quickly to Yale, Columbia, and Stanford, which led Zuckerberg to expand access to other universities and to the general public. So, from just a social experiment, Facebook became a business, and not just a business, but a money making machine. And three key things turned it into a money making platform. First, the network effect. The more people joined, the more valuable it became. Friends invited friends, and there was a viral growth with almost no marketing costs. Second, clear demand. Users of Facebook were spending hours browsing profiles and connections, which created a huge opportunity for targeted advertising. And third, investors' interest. Early venture capital firms, like Accel Partners, saw the potential of Facebook and made an initial investment of $12.7 million in 2005. And this is where it gets interesting. By 2008, Facebook was already a money-making machine, surpassing over 100 million users. In 2012, it went public on the Nasdaq, raising $16 billion, one of the largest IPOs ever. Today, Facebook generates tens of billions in annual advertising revenue and owns Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus. So, my friend, if you are thinking of turning that idea of yours into a money-making machine, these are the lessons to take from the Facebook story. 1. Solving a real problem. Facebook solved the problem of how can I find and connect with people around me easily? So ask yourself, what real problem will your idea solve? Look for a real problem of your potential customers or audience and see how you can help them solve it. 2. Create something people use often. Facebook built something habit forming. People checked profiles every day and it turned into a habit. So can your idea create a product that people will keep coming to? What advantage does your product have over others that will make people come back to it? 3. Leverage network effect. Facebook grew from networking organically as users invited others. So can the users of your product spread the word about your product? 4. Use data to refine and monetize. Facebook used data to improve targeting and advertising. So you need to gather insights about what people think about your product, and you can do this by talking to early users of your product or through surveys and polls. And if it is a YouTube channel or website, you monitor your analysis. 5. Adapt and scale. Facebook started with Harvard, then expanded to all universities and beyond. So you can as well start small to test the waters, be focused, and grow. When you think of the Facebook story, remember it started from just an idea, and today it has grown beyond anyone's imagination. There is no limit to growth. An idea alone is nothing. Execution is everything. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more valuable videos, and let's grow together.